Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to link an existing note with a calendar event in Evernote. So the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Evernote? Simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type evernote.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Once again, to the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to either create a new account or log in using an existing account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to link an existing note with a calendar event in Evernote. From this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple features: home, shortcuts, and down to trash. Go ahead and click on notes. You're clicking on notes to open up existing notes that you have already created. All right, so this is this note, my work mode, and I want to link calendar event to this. So click in the content of the note and head over to the top corner. Here, click on insert, and once you do that, you're going to see this calendar event option. Now, calendar event is seeming like it's not really working there. So I'm just going to click right here, calendar event. Now, I have already attached, or I have already integrated my Google Calendar into my account. In case you've not done that, if you click on this, you're going to be prompted to actually follow through the process to integrate Google Calendar into your Evernote account. So I have already done that, right? So here you're going to have to create your event, okay? So this is my calendar, and so click on this three dots menu. So just list or all right. All right, so here again, I've opened up another note. All right, so go ahead and click on insert just like we did before, and then click on calendar event. All right, you can either use here or you can use this calendar event button here. So let's click on insert and click on calendar event, and it's going to take you right into your calendar. So like I initially said, that I have integrated Google Calendar into this. So this is just what exactly is on my Google Calendar. So in your Google Calendar, right, which is something that we have here, go ahead and create your event. Click on this create button and click on events and create your event. So I created my events, Good Friday Hangouts. So I'm heading over to my Evernote now. You see that it has been successfully integrated. So I'm just going to click on this event. So I'm going to click on this event and I'm going to click on insert. So I have inserted this particular event into my note. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can link an existing note with a calendar event in Evernote. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.